This is how you can fix the not enough memory or disk space error in Microsoft Word. First, close Word and restart your computer to clear temporary files. So you're going to have to go here to your Windows or the Start button, click on that, and then you can see the Power button right here. Click on that again, and then click on Restart to restart your computer. Now, if the issue continues even after restarting, check your computer's storage. Most probably, this is the problem. So you're going to have to delete unnecessary files or move them to an external drive. So in order for you to do that, you're going to go to your settings and then click on that. And then from here, you're going to click on apps. And then from here, you're going to delete all of your apps and features that you don't need anymore. So for example, you don't need maps anymore for your computer. You're going to click on uninstall, and we're just going to uninstall that app so that we can have 16.0 KB for our computer. And then next is you can also disable add-ins in Word, but this is optional because your add-ins aren't going to be used anymore and it won't work anymore. So you're going to have to go to file and then options and then add-ins and then turn off any that aren't needed anymore. And then after that, you can also try opening Word in safe mode by holding control while opening the program. Now, if fonts are corrupted, they can also cause us issues. So you're going to have to remove or reinstall fonts you recently added. And then finally, you're going to update Microsoft Office to the latest version, since updates often fix memory related errors. But just as I have showed you, you're going to have to go through restarting your computer first and then going to your settings and uninstalling programs first, because usually those steps can already solve your problems. And that's it. That is how you can fix not enough memory or disk space in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.